welcome to this episode of Zove Talks. We're covering the branding series of videos, and I'm going to show you how to make images that can be used on every social media platform at the same time. So this is an Instagram post. This is a Twitter post. This is the same photo being used on a live session with a slight amendment because I've added a camera in there for the live show because it revolves around a certain camera model. And in LinkedIn, it would be here, but this video is playing, so it's normally a custom thumbnail. So how you want to go about this is to make it in a way. So there's a photography live show in Pinterest. So if you're following my other video about how to make multiple posts to different social media platforms, you'll find this helpful. So you're basically a 1280 by 720 resolution, because that's the HD image. This can be used across any site. So because Instagram has a square aspect ratio, in theory that will show, which is enough to show that you could click in it and make it wider. So if you stick to a dimension of 1280 by 720 and keep the most of your image within the center of the frame, you can use it on all of those platforms, as well as WordPress blogs. So I'm hoping this little video gives you that information and how you can set up the photos to keep you just publish that. There's a quick little video you can check out on my playlist about branding, so that will help you keep on top of the types of content we make.